Magandang umaga mga kabarangay and good morning PLP! I'm Maria Vanessa Empejo, 19, ang nursing student with a heart ng PLP! Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon'y nag-iisa. Sana ay damihan na. Sa ilalim ng puting sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, ayokong mabuhay ng malungkot. Ikaw ang napapasaya at makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Halina tayo'y humiga sa ilalim ng puting sa dilaw na buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan.
Palakpakan!
Palakpakan naman natin!
Vanessa!
Vanessa! Maria Vanessa Empejo! Good morning, Vanessa!
Good morning po!
So ikaw ngayon ang may hawak ng title ng Miss PLP 2025.
Yes po!
Nice! Kurso mo nursing!
Yes po!
Anong year mo na?
Second year po.
Second year, okay. Okay. Ito bang kurso mo dati mo nang gustong kunin?
Initially po, gusto ko po talaga something related to the medical field. And yung nursing po kasi, it's more than a job, it's a calling, and I felt that calling po.
Yun, good job. Sino ba mga fellow College of Nursing students
Sino
natin
mga
dito?
college of
Ayun po.
nurse? Ayan!
Ayun. Pakita natin sila. Step forward, girls and boys. Come on.
Yan,
Mag-hi
ang
naman
College of
kayo.
Nursing.
Ayan
You
sila.
know?
Ayan.
Nice.
Ayun, okay.
Aba,
Alright.
pinapakita ngayon, ito ba yung
Daming
mga
awards.
nakuha mo para dito sa inyong competition?
Yes po, yan po yung mga special awards po na nakuha ko.
Ang dami! Hinakot mo lahat! Hinakot niya, Miss Congeniality. Ano pa yung nakuha natin? Ano pa yung nakuha niya?
Marami. Miss PLP 2025, Darling of the
Oo,
Crowd, Best Advocacy,
Best in Casual Wear.
Aba! At syempre, Miss Nursing 2025. Na-sweep niya halos lahat, ha?
Oo.
Ayos, ha?
Hindi nakapagtataka. May foreign blood ka raw?
Yes po. I'm half Tanzanian po, which is African, and half Filipino po.
Yes! Yun naman. May natutuhan ka bang Tanzanian na
Language.
word? Or
Ano lang po, hello lang po.
hello lang? Ano yung
Ano?
hello?
Mojambo.
Sa Kenya, Jumbo.
Opo,
Monjambo
yes
rin.
po.
Okay.
Oh,
Jumbo. Monjambo.
Kamusta yung pag-aaral mo?
Okay naman po, na-enjoy ko po siya. Though, of course, sa lahat naman po ng course is merong kahirapan. What makes it different po is na-enjoy ko naman po siya. So, ayun po, napapatuloy ko po siya ng
Balak mo
mabuti.
bang magtuloy-tuloy, maging doktor ba?
Yes po.
Yes! Pero, paano ang pagbe-beauty queen? Saang sulok ng puso ni Vanessa nakaluklok ang pagiging beauty queen?
Honestly po, pageantry is something that was new to me this year and last year lang po. So, of course, it has a special place in my heart. However, career-oriented po ako and I would like to, as much as possible, pursue my
Yes.
dreams of being a doctor.
Yes.
And I
oo.
guess, she's very intelligent.
Oo
Napaka-articulate niya magsalita.
Yes.
Ang tali-talino. Panalong makipag-usap. Diba?
Good job.
Sino nag-push sa'yo na pumasok sa pageantry?
Yung level coordinator po namin. Actually po kasi, funny story is I wasn't supposed to join Mr. and Miss Nursing.
Oh.
Class president po nila ako and we
Okay.
already had 2 initial candidates po. However, due to personal reasons po, hindi po sila natuloy.
Ayun.
And after that po, ayun po, naging mag-isa na lang po ako sa section.
So, you had to step up. Ikaw na step
Yes
up.
po.
Ayun, good job.
Leader pa.
Leader talaga.
Leader
diba?
pa.
She had to step up. At nanalo.
Yes.
Rightfully so. Okay. So, ito bang yung stay sa PLP, masasabi mo talaga punong-puno ng core memories ito?
Yes po, definitely. I said to myself before I entered college na I wanted to grow as a person. And definitely po yung PLP, it did that for me. I grew in the College of Nursing and sa extracurriculars din po wherein, ayun nga po, I didn't anticipate that I would become Miss Nursing and Miss PLP but here I am po.
Miss PLP nga siya, di ba? Miss PLP.
Ano na itulong? Ano yung mga natutuhan mo habang sumasali ka sa mga pageantry?
Ang pinaka natutunan ko po is to really step outside the comfort zone. And I really resonated with the quote that says, you miss 100% of the chances that you don't take. So, I said na lang po, if this is for me, it's for me. And it was for me po. So, I'm very grateful for the experience. And definitely, dadalhin ko po siya hanggang lumaki po ako.
Gusto kong malaman kung anong mga paghahanda ang ginawa mo para makuha mo yung crown. May mga ginawa ka ba?
Yes po, very rigorous po yung naging training namin and I'm very, very thankful po first of all sa mga seniors ko in the College of Nursing, yung naging hair and makeup artist ko po. And of course, yung pinaka-College of Nursing po. Kasi ang naging schedule ko po niyan is Monday to Friday I had classes and then Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon practice. Yung buong Sunday po, nag-practice din po ako and then
Ang
may
hirap
practice
pala,
po
ano,
ulit
ang dami
ng
mo
Monday.
kailangan sikasuhin.
Opo.
May katanungan ang kapwa mo mga estudyante sa'yo.
Yan, may katanungan. Anong question mo? Ayan, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Sheila.
Okay, anong course?
BSED English.
Yes! Okay, question, my friend.
Nakaramdam ka ba ng pressure nung una kang sumali sa pageant?
Yes, definitely. Kasi before me, yung naging reigning Miss Nursing and Miss PLP is from the College of Nursing also. And of course, I wanted to ensure that I carried my college's name with honor and pride, the same way that she did.
Galing.
Husay. Na-overcome niya, definitely. Okay? O, sino may gusto magtanong? Sino gusto magtanong?
Sino
gusto
pa?
magtanong?
Sino
O,
pa?
dyan
Ito,
naman,
ito,
sa side.
ito, ito.
Ayan.
Lalaki naman.
Hindi madali.
Hindi madali maging nursing student sa PLP. Paano mo sinabay yung pag-aaral mo sa pagsali sa pageant?
Oo nga.
Yun.
That's a really good question. Definitely, time management. And of course, with the support ng faculty, ni Dean, and as well as yung mga fellow batchmates ko, I was able to overcome the challenge of the schedule overlapping and yung tiredness.
May mga advocacy rin siya.
Tama.
Ano yung mga advocacy
women, children, and the elderly, especially since they are the backbone of our community. Lalong-lalo na po dito sa Pasig. And as a woman, this is something that deeply resonates with me. I would like to fight for our rights and amplify the voices of my fellow women, children, and elderly po.
Ay, ang husay!
Meron pa.
Pumasok ka na sa Miss Universe.
Tama. Mananalo
Pwede na.
yan. Ito pa, may question. What's your
May
name?
question pa raw.
I'm Hazel Ann Batalla po.
Which course?
From Bachelor of Science and Accountants.
Your
Yun!
accountancy. What's your question?
Ngayong ikaw ang
Reigning Miss PLP. Oo.
reigning Miss PLP, paano mo gagamitin ito para masimulan ang
O mas
o
ipaliwanag.
mas may paliwanag pa sa iba ang mga gusto mong advokasya?
Definitely, yung pageant itself was the biggest platform for me na makapagsabi ng advocacy ko. But right now, bilang isang nursing student, I believe that the best way na may spread ko po yung advocacy ko is through my actions and of course, through having conversations with my peers.
Ruth! Nako
Grabe.
naman, palakpakan naman natin. Talagang legit! Ang inyong reigning queen!
Beauty and brain.
Super! And may puso!
At with a
Dahil
heart.
May puso siya para sa
Oo.
mga kababaihan, sa mga matatanda, at sa mga bata. Mahusay, mahusay.
Anong message mo,
Message.
Vanessa, sa ating mga kapwa estudyante, sa mga nanonood ngayon?
So my message for everyone watching and everyone here is do whatever your heart tells you to do. Again, I would like to reiterate that you miss 100% of the chances that you don't take. So step out of your comfort zone, don't be afraid of growth, and just follow your heart.
Oh, wow! Tandaan ha, follow your... Husay, palakpakan natin si Vanessa Empejo, your reigning Miss PLP 2025 and Miss Nursing 2025. Congratulations, maraming salamat.
Hi! Sa mga naman sa Navarro mga Kanet 25. This is Love and New Verbo. For more love, Tunipet, and Navarro updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and Net25 Entertainment Facebook. See ya. I love ya.